A clean mirror instantly brightens any room, but achieving a truly streak-free finish can be surprisingly challenging. From toothpaste splatters to fingerprints, mirrors tend to collect grime fast. Let's dive in. First, start with dry dusting. Grab a microfiber cloth and wipe off any loose dust or hair. Skipping this step is one of the most common causes of streaks. Next, mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Or, for a deeper clean, use 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of dish soap. Avoid using anything oil-based or ammonia-heavy. Now, spray lightly on your cloth, not directly on the mirror. This helps prevent excess moisture from seeping behind the glass. Wipe in a zigzag motion top to bottom. This method avoids smearing. Got stubborn spots? Dab them with rubbing alcohol on a cotton pad before wiping. Finally, check from different angles and buff any streaks with a dry cloth. And there you have it, a spotless mirror in minutes. Need more help? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning at 256-633-6332 or visit bearbrowscleaning.com for a free quote, because your home deserves to be berry clean.